Hey everybody, how's it? Coping skills through artistry. um, a unique subject matter. I was thinking about, how powerful the arts are as coping skills for just getting through life. And I'm not talking about arts like the arts in the sense that you do it so you want to make a living at it, but it's something that stimulates just another part of being present. At the same token, somewhat meditative as you're focusing on what it is that you're doing, drawing, music, I don't know, ceramics, painting, anything creative, building models for, that's still look and build and think and maneuver and stuff. But you don't have to be good at it. I think when I tell people, I say, hey, do you do anything in the arts? Well, no, I don't have any talent. I'm not good at it. Well, I think that's probably something that really doesn't matter. And here's why I'm saying this is because, when kids, they first start doing anything, they never ask if they're good at it. Crayons outside of the lines or, doing and building things. They don't go through that process of trying to find some kind of validation that you are good enough to be, per se. And then you end up, stifling maybe that process before you get out of the box, which is, well, I'm not good at it, so therefore I maybe shouldn't be thinking about doing an art or something like that. Contradictory to that, and also the contrarian that I am, I say, go for it. This is what you need to be doing. You need to go out there and try and figure out, once again, not to make something of yourself to become professional, but just to do something, build something, be aware of being creative and putting that energy into it. Not as like I'm purposefully going to distract myself from my life and the craziness in the world. I am going to do some arts. No, try it. Have some fun with it. No one's looking over your shoulder. No one's judging you. And you don't have to be good at it. You just have to enjoy the process of trying, And I go through this a lot of times with, people that I teach with the ukulele back in the day when I used to teach a lot. I still teach kids. And they never say I'm not good. If they run into a problem, it's my job as a teacher to kind of say, oh, what's happening there is your fingers touching the other, excuse me. Your fingers touching the other string, that's why it's buzzing. Or something like that. It's my job as a teacher to help you through it. But, they still try and they're not worried about being good or bad. They just love the ukulele and they want to try, So, I don't know. That was just my stream of consciousness for the day. My last few videos have been a little like, rah, 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 rah. Today is like, the arts, don't be afraid. Go out and try it. Have a blast. Relax. No one's watching you. You don't have to be good. And then you realize once you're starting to have a little fun with it, just kind of, wow, 3 hours of my day just went towards this direction, and it was very fun and creative, and I was in a meditative bubble of sorts, trying to make this work and learning how to do it, or learning something new in the arts. All right, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Have a wonderful morning, day, evening, whenever it is that you're watching this. And thanks for hanging out. I'm just saying. All right, see ya.